How to change Steam account name. So first is by opening your Steam app or by going to your Google, Chrome, or any web browser that you want. And then simply sign in with your account. Once you have signed in with your account, go to your name right here and click on Profile. Once you're on Profile, click on Edit Profile right here. Scroll down and you may either change your profile name or your real name right here. And then, once you have changed your profile name or your real name, scroll down to the bottom and make sure to click on the Save button found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then, there you go. You have now changed your name on Steam. Again, just a recap, go to your name right here, go to Profile, click on Edit Profile, change your name, and click on Save. So that's it. That's how you can change Steam account name.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.